I got 2 free gifts from Temu. All I had to do was order some other items that is worth 8,000 rupees. Hi, I'm Sonali. Welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing my face for the first time, I warmly welcome you. So this was my second order from Temu. I ordered a bunch of useful items for me. It's been more than a month since I received this order. But the most important thing is that I got 2 free gifts from Temu. At that time, the only condition was to place an order worth 8,000 rupees. 2 free gifts I received are worth like 4,000 rupees. But now, free gift conditions are a little bit different in Temu. Now it is based on referrals. But anyway, I am giving you a 15,000 rupees worth coupon bundle. You can check the link in the description box. Now here I am showing you the 2 free gifts I received. First one is this laptop bag. If you get a chance to select free gifts from Temu, make sure to choose an expensive items from the list. So back to the bag. The length of the bag is 16 inches and width of the bag is like 12 inches. This has one pocket in the front and another pocket from the side. In the side pocket you can put your notebooks or files. It is very spacious. Inside of the bag also have a lot of space. There you can see there's a separate area to put your laptop or tablet. This bag has a good lining and it is well made. This part indicates a charging mark. I don't know it's like this or it is supposed to have a built-in charger in the bag, but there's no any built-in charger here. So I have a doubt about this part. But for a free item, I think I can't expect a built-in charger. But anyway, I really like this bag and it is useful for me. This is my second free gift. It is a pair of black sneakers. But I am a little bit disappointed about this one. I already wore this and I have to say the sole is comfortable. My problem is the top part. It is not thick like a regular sneaker. It is made out of a very thin mesh fabric, but the fabric is breathable. But you can't wear this in a rainy weather. I can't complain though since this is a free gift. From here onwards, these are the items that I bought for 8,000 rupees. I bought 2 sets of belts. This is the first set. It has 3 belts. This was about 1,500 rupees. So for one belt, it was 500 rupees. I have put all the links in the description box. So if you like to order one of these items, you can directly click the link. I wore these belts several times and they are quite beautiful. I can elevate my office outfits with these belts. So let's measure the length of these belts now. All 3 belts have 39 inches of length. It is 100 centimeters. It is quite a reasonable length, but if you are too fat, I think that won't be enough for you. This is my second set of belts. It has 5 belts in it. This total set was worth around 1,500 rupees. So that means 300 rupees for one belt. This is really worth the price. Because I don't think we can find a belt for 300 rupees in a clothing shop. Most of the belts are over 500 rupees. So for the price, these belts are well worth it. Also, this has colors like black, beige, brown and white. Since these are neutral colors, you can match these belts with any outfit. Now let's measure the length of these belts also. All the 5 belts are similar length. This has a length of 41 inches. So it is little bit more than 1 meter length. I'm really happy with these belts. So my next item is set of cake decorating tools. This set has two piping bags, some scraping tools and nozzles. Don't get me wrong, I am not a cake making person. I have never decorated a cake in my life. But every time I see cake decorating videos and nozzles, I wanted one so badly. I hope I put this to use very soon. These are two small gadgets to tighten the piping bags. So this is the nozzle set. It has 12 nozzles. If you love cake making or hope to become a home baker, I think this will be very much benefit to you. So these are the two piping bags. I'm not an expert, but I think quality wise they are okay. These three scraping tools are also very handy. This next item is an exercise belt. I never been to a gym in my whole life. I do my exercises at home to be in fit. There are 5 belts in different strength categories. This one is 25 to 30 pounds. This has a good resistance and a stretch. If you want, you can buy all the 5 belts. My next item is a set of Blackhead Whitehead extractors. This has 4 pieces and also I really like this cute container. Even though it is 4 pieces, every piece has 2 sides, so it is like 8 tools in one. These can be used to remove whiteheads, blackheads and also to pop the pimples. For me personally, I don't need this much tools, only one would be enough for me. But if you are a salon owner, this will be very benefit for you. So these were the items in my first package. My order had 15 items altogether, so all those items came in 2 packages. Now let's unbox my second package. There were 8 items in this package. First item is this silicone funnel. This is a collapsible funnel, so you can fold and unfold this whenever you want. This is a very useful gadget for the kitchen. We need this funnel to fill liquids and grains to small bottles. This has a length of 6 centimeters and a diameter of 5 centimeters. This is worth for the price. This next item is an essential for me. This is a sleeping eye mask. This is very soft and comfortable. I wonder some people can sleep even with the lights on. But for me, I need complete darkness. So this helps me to get a good night's sleep. This has a elastic strap with a velcro adhesive. This is well worth the price. My next item is a Derma Roller. I bought this in 0.25mm needle length. When I was ordering this, I was hoping to use it on my face, but I ended up using it on my hair. But I feel 0.25mm is not enough length for the hair scalp. Sometimes I lose the interest in items I buy, so I only use this 2-3 times to my hair. But I hope to use it on my face in future. This next one is a skincare item. This is a 5-in-1 facial serum. Few months ago I bought a vitamin C serum from AliExpress and I used it until it is finished. So when I saw this, I wanted to try this. I usually don't do a 100-step skincare routine like the other influencers on the YouTube. So all-in-one product like this is very much suitable for me. This has 5 serums: hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, vitamin E, vitamin C and collagen. By the time I upload this video, I finished half of this bottle. This doesn't have much of a smell, but it is very moisturizing. I have oily skin and I get pimples very easily. So I am extra cautious about the products I use on my face. So I tested this 2-3 times and it didn't cause any pimples on my face. So I began to use it daily. This has 30 milliliters and well worth the price. My next item is a pair of reading glasses. This is much more suitable for a computer rather than books because this has a blue light filter. It is not visible in the artificial light, but in the natural sunlight you can see a blue color glare on the glasses. They only had this beige color, but I really like the golden color frame. This next item is a set of concealer palette. This has 3 shades. I had good hopes for this product, but it ended up a complete waste of money. I will tell you why. There are several reasons for that. First reason is the size and amount of product in this. This container feels like they cheated on us. Even though it looks like 2 cm height from the outside, from the bottom there is 1 cm space. So the inside is only 1 cm height. I measured the height of the product also. There was only 3 mm height of product. The second reason is the colors. Even the darkest color in here doesn't match my skin tone. Also the undertone is very much different to the picture they show. In the picture it has a warm undertone, but in real it is cool undertone. So if you have a darker skin, don't buy this product at all. Since I already bought this, I have an idea to make it match to my skin tone. I will do a video on that in the future. So subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell and stay with me for my future videos. This next item is a set of earrings. My mom says I'm a hoarder for earrings and lipsticks because I always buy them online. This has 6 pairs of earrings. They are in a reasonable size because they are neither big nor small. I fit on these earrings for you guys to see. For a quick fit on, I wore 2 types of earrings at once. I really like these hoop earrings. They goes well with many outfits. This next item is one of my favorite items from the whole order. I already have so many lipsticks, but I keep buying them again and again. All these 6 colors are really nice and beautiful. Also, they match with my skin color. For now, I will swatch these on my hand. But I have a video series coming where I swatch all these colors with a matching outfit. So stay with me for my future videos. So this is how all the colors look like, and this first shade is my favorite. Once they are dry, they are transfer proof. All the colors are completely dry. Aren't they beautiful? This pink shade is my least favorite one. This is well worth the price. So these are all the items in my second package. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell and stay tuned with me for my future videos. Until we meet again in another video. Bye.